Good morning. It is a rainy Wednesday. I don't know what you do on rainy days, but I'm still here in my bathroom trying to get ready this morning. It's a good idea to go through your products and take a look at stuff and see how long it's been in there. So I'll just show you some of my stuff. This is a compact that I've been using, pressed powder. It's looking a little on the sad side. It's because I use it every day, so I need to replace that. So make myself a little list of things I need to bring home. This, again, this Lyra BB tint, I use this every day. Need to maybe make a note to bring some more of that home. My mist I just brought home, so I've got, this is a fresh brand new package. So those are some of the things that I use on a daily basis, and they run out and then I have to replace them, and nothing's worse than getting caught without like your basic things at home. Skincare products like this, the Environ products have an expiration date on the bottom. Some of them don't, but it's a good idea to take out your products and take a look and see, how long have I had this? How long has this been open? If it's been open more than a year, and you're having skin trouble and you're like, what? I haven't changed anything. Well, if it's been open longer than a year, you probably have changed something because you're not using this on a timely basis. So don't save up your good stuff. Like, use your good stuff every day, and limit the amount of good stuff you get. Things that don't have any kind of preservative system. This is a Hale and Hush Hydrate. I use this every day. Red face people of the world. I use this all the time, but I can tell that this is light and I need to get another one. So just know that if you have something in your cabinet that you have been saving up, or that maybe you bought it at the end of last summer, maybe you're somebody that changes your weight of moisturizer or your makeup on the season, might be time to take a look at it and see how long it's been since you opened it. Good rainy day project for you. I'll also go through my wet products. This is a mascara that I just brought home and opened, and a brow gel. I use these, again, every day, so I know that they are pretty safe. Lipstick, use this color a lot. This color I don't use a lot, you can tell. I got this the end of last season, and I wore it today, but probably shouldn't press my luck too much further with that one. And last but not least, your tools. Like, if you use tools at home, sometimes they sit on the counter and you don't use them as frequently as you'd like. Go ahead and take an opportunity while you're kind of tidying up your makeup and your skincare area to charge these and make a new resurgence to use them. And I'm ashamed to show this. People who have known me since my glow days are gonna like fall over. Makeup brushes. Oh, it's so dirty. A good day to maybe shampoo your makeup brushes. Just remember to hang them upside down like this so that all the water drains out, and wash them with shampoo like you would your hair. If you sit them up like this, all the bristles will lose their contact and fall out, so then you ruin your brushes. So good rainy day activity this morning. I hope you guys have a wonderful Wednesday, and we'll see you soon.